everybody, thank you so much for joining me again. As you know from the title, it's giveaway announcement day. So these are the 3 prizes. I put them into these boxes. So we've got the international prize. So that's all packaged up. There's a couple of extra bits in there as well. I'm going to go over to Random Picker to do these. This is the acrylics prize. So again, there's a few extra little bits in there. So that's the UK one. And this is the gels, UK gels prize. So they're all packed up, all ready. If you're wondering what's in them, you can go back to other video, but that's it. That's all I'm going to show you today. Thank you to anybody that's entered, and we're going to go over to Random Picker and we'll see who's won. Good luck. So I've copied the URL from that video, which I'm going to put in there, and then filters based on specific text. And there was the 3 prizes, wasn't there? So let's do gel first. There are 15 entered for the gel. So let's start. Good luck. Oh, no. No. Yeah. Comments 15. Start raffle and pick random winner. Oh, Heidi. Heidi, you've won the gel. You said thank you, such a great set, and not just for a beginner. Congrats on 850 subs. We'll get you to 1,000 for Christmas giveaway. Yes, that's the next big giveaway, is the Christmas Advent Calendar, which is huge. And this one, you've won the gel prize, so that's Heidi. Please contact me on Instagram if possible. I'm just writing your name down. If your name on Instagram is different to that, then please let me know in the comments below. Or you can get me on my email address. My Instagram and email address are below in the description. So congrats, Heidi, you've won the gel set. We'll now go back and we'll do the acrylic. So as you can see, filter on acrylic. 10. 8. 8 of you entered for acrylic. Good luck. And that's Kathy Cousins. What a fabulous kit, love it. Enter me Acrylic UK. So you're both in the UK, so that's brilliant. So the acrylic, Kathy. Lovely. Congratulations, Kathy. And now we'll do international. There we go. And 8 of you for international. Thank you for entering and good luck. Tracy Page. Hi Sue, enter me international. You know I love you. I really hope you get all the subs you deserve them. Thank you very much, Tracy. Contact me on the Instagram, lovey, and we'll get that sent off. Thank you so much to everybody for entering. It's been absolutely brilliant. Hopefully we'll get loads and loads more entries to the next one. And it's the big giveaway. So if you've not seen that at all as yet, go and have a look on my playlist, which is Xmas 2022 Advent Calendar giveaway. And you'll need to be subscribed, obviously. And we'll be pulling that in November. So thank you once again. Congrats to everybody. Please get in touch with me within a week if possible. If not, I'll have to redraw it. Love you loads. Bye.